glass, did you guys do that?
Yeah.
Do you guys know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So a little glass tube, and then you just kind of, you just snap it, right? And so I just thought snapping those and then throwing them away just seems pretty wasteful, so, but I might try that. But you get this, you get the vision, right, the visual, right, that snapping of that little pipette, that's the type of thrust, it's just a very gentle, sustained thrust. Okay? And so we can use some of the very same things when we talked about knee chest. How do we do a knee chest adjustment? For lateral, you're actually a little bit posterior, right, with the knee chest. When you do an anterior, you have your contact is actually lateral to medial to the table, isn't it? So that's an anterior knee chest. A lateral knee chest, you're a little bit posterior, and then a posterior knee chest, posterior segment, you're actually more posterior. Same concept, same exact concept. So, all right, what time is it? Are we doing okay? I got 5 minutes. So, any questions? See, at this point, nobody's gonna ask questions because everybody wants to leave early. If somebody asks a question, they're gonna be like,